Let me ask you something. How would you feel if you found out a photo of yourself was being uploaded to the internet and you were being undressed by AI? Probably would make you feel pretty uncomfortable. Unfortunately, that is a reality in today's world. And the chat GBTs and the Groks of the world, all these AI machines that are created to help people summarize documents or to write papers if you're in school. But unfortunately, now it's taking a pretty dark turn. And it starts with Twitter, or X as they call it now. The problem that we are seeing is people are going onto the Twitter website, they're uploading photos or looking at photos of other people and asking AI, which is Grok, to undress those people, show those people nude, put those people in a bikini that are wearing outfits, and essentially dehumanizing those people. It's a very creepy and unsettling trend that keeps going. But does this have any kind of criminal implications? Can you get in trouble if you ask for an AI robot to take the clothes off of another person? It's definitely possible. And given the changes in the laws that keep happening and with the growing of AI, it's likely to become probable. Let me ask you another question from this. Imagine a photo of a person who is underage, a child, 10-year-old, 11, and a person asks AI to start undressing that person. Does that make you feel uncomfortable? That's how we know that the laws are likely to change with a stricter hand against AI to prevent people and potentially penalize them for doing this. Now, why are some of these images that are being modified wrong? Well, think of it this way. The image is from a person that likely did not consent to have their photo taken or undressed in that way. It could also be something where a person's not even aware that it's going on or that it's happening. A person might not even be on Twitter, but they're having photos of them uploaded and undressed. Clearly, a person would not consent to that happening if they don't even know their image is there. In addition to that, the images can spread. Imagine you're someone who has a professional job and someone decides to take a photo of you and undress you online. Now that's being shown all over the internet. A person who's never once taken a nude photograph of themselves has fake AI images of them nude circling the internet. It's a very scary phenomenon, but it's a phenomenon that we're living in right now. Now, we've seen this before. If you remember a few years ago, Taylor Swift actually sued someone because they tried to use nude AI images of her. With technology growing and privacy rights potentially being up in the air, the laws are bound to change. And here's how it could impact you. Now, California does not have any specifically tailored laws to AI pornography, at least not now. Think of it something similar to maybe like peeping laws or revenge porn laws in the state of California. Although similar, they're not quite the same, but you can bet probably within the next few years that it's going to absolutely change. Now, the federal government has already taken their take on this by using the Take It Down Act as their act to try and help stop people from using AI images to create pornography of unconsenting individuals. Here's my take. Although it's not regulated now, it soon will be. It definitely will be within the next few years. Laws are going to be created in order to try and stop people from doing this. And you have to think of yourself in a situation where you think, well, it's legal now. What's the harm in it? Is it a joke? Maybe it is. But that joke could lead to some very serious criminal charges that you could face in the near future once those laws change. And a lot of those laws are not going to only penalize people in the future. They likely will try to make them retroactive. They'll try and go after people who have gone about trying to create these images for years and posting them all over social media. So that way, people right now, I'm telling you that if you continue to create these Grok AI fake images of nude people, you're very likely to be facing very serious criminal charges in the near future.